Okay, today we're working on a carrier, 59TP6, which is, TP5. This is a 2-stage, 95% efficient furnace. And we're having a clicking noise issue, and I'm thinking I either got a venting issue. Carrier told us, okay, change gas valve, so change gas valve, and as you can see, the tech that changed it didn't adjust gas pressure, because I suppose it should be no higher than 1.8 inches of manifold, inches of water column. So adjust this really quick. This is low stage. My range is between 1.3 to 1.8 on my manifold pressure. I usually keep it 1.5. Keep it kind of in the middle, happy medium. Adjust that low is low stage, so we're going to adjust it here. That'll be good right there. So we gotta wait until this thing goes in high stage, which is 16 minutes. It's on a single stage stat. Timer 16 minutes on the board. And then we'll see if we can hear the clicking noise, and I think it's either I had a double trap down here with my Z pipe going all the way across. It was all the way down to the deck. Or I got a venting pitch issue where I'm building up water and it's tripping the pressure switch. I don't even know if I'll be able to catch it on my meter. It does it so fast. So we'll see what happens. I kind of got my meter spliced in there and cut the wire so I can splice it in. And so we're going to put the door on, wait a few minutes and see if we can hear this clicking noise. I only hear it in high stage for some reason, only in high. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Yeah, he didn't adjust any kind of pressures when he changed the gas valve. I got 3.81, I should be down to 3.5. And there's my voltage for the gas valve on high stage. Got the doors on, I got my leads coming out there. Got my gas pressure coming out here. Kind of sneaked it out the hole for the gas. Let's see if I start hearing this noise, this clicking noise, like the gas valve tripping in and out. It's producing a lot of condensate. Hear it over here. And stripping. Yeah, I don't hear the noise. listen to the gas pipe, can't hear the noise. I'll put my ear up to the gas pipe and you can hear it click, click, click. Really strange. Let me see if I can track it down. Okay. What I did is I pulled the pressure switch, put the pressure switch back on, thing went through its cycle, went to fire back up into high stage. And before it even fired, you could hear the gas valve click, 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 click. So I got to figure out what stage it's clicking in. Let's see if it happens again. There it is. High stage. The gas valve is open. Gas valve's open. See, but it didn't let anything through because medium stage wasn't open. Or my low stage. So if the low stage doesn't open, it doesn't let any gas through until high stage opens, or low stage opens. Interesting. Didn't pay attention to my manometer though. Let's try it. Let's do this. Pull a flame sensor. Let's start it over again. I don't want to lock it out on a pressure code, I just want to keep it going here. But then, I got power. Right now, all my gas, the gas valve just clicked off. Wow, that's really strange. I've never ever seen that before. Okay. Try to figure this one out. This is a good one. Let's watch the manometer when this thing starts up. I'll be right back. Okay. We got voltage on high stage. No gas going through. No voltage on low stage. See if this thing starts clicking again. This thing's driving me nutty. Low stage, high stage, manometer. Watch now, it won't click. Didn't do it. This rotten rascal. Let me get a sequence operation on this. Okay. I think what's happening on this furnace is, this is the furnace with, it's ticking. And I can reproduce the noise. And I think what's happening is, I haven't seen this before, but I've seen it on the single stage products, but not the two stage products. The single stage products use this. They don't use this switch as, this is a block Fluke switch on a single stage, I'm pretty sure. Two-stage product, it's actually for the high stage fire. Now this sits up there and like this, like so. Now I can reproduce the noise. switch is set for 0.34. If you look at my manometer down here, it's fluctuating real bad. And what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing water droplets on the inside of this inducer motor plugging that hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the inducer motor on this, because the newer inducer motors have a large hole at the back of that port, that inducer port right there, It's got in a large hole in the back by the fan, and what it does, by having that larger hole, it reduces this fluctuation. Because what happens is that water passes by there and it interrupts the vacuum. So what I'm going to do is replace that inducer motor. Might do a little repitching of the vent, but I don't think that's needed. I mean, it's pitched pretty good right now, but yeah, this one was kind of tricky. See, I got my T spliced in so I can read at the same time. See, I'm fluctuating from 70 to 40. 35 is my brake on the switch. So if I slow the inducer motor down, hear it? That's the noise I was hearing. So, and it only happens in high stage. So after the units ran for 15-16 minutes in low stage, it produced some water or condensate. Condensate got in the inducer housing, and then what she says, it does it, and then it'll stop doing it after it'll run. So what's probably happening is after it's ran for, I don't know, maybe 2, 3 to 5, maybe even 10 minutes in high stage, it ejects all that water out into here, or that condensate into here, and it drains properly down the trap. But it only does it right when it goes into high stage from low stage. So I'm thinking water's building up down there. After it runs for 5 to 10 minutes, it ejects all the water out, and then we don't have a problem. So I want to change the inducer motor on this one. Really odd problem. Haven't ran into it before. My carrier reps haven't even heard about it before. So just something every day on these furnaces is very interesting. But that's it for this one, guys. Like and subscribe.